In this video, I'm about to show you how to get a Synthesia AI tutorial. First, go to your web browser and search for Synthesia AI. Now, click the first link to visit the official website. Once on the website, scroll down to view its features and how it works. It saves time and money by eliminating the need for actors or extensive post-production editing. Next, go through the website and choose a video template or start a new project. If you select the demo template, then click Generate Free AI Video. Fill out the required fields including name, email, and the source where you hear about Synthesia. Following that, verify your identity and click Generate Free Video. You have to wait for a few seconds, and after that, the video will be ready. Play the video to see the demo and click the download video above the video. It'll start downloading and save it on your device. If you want to see the pricing, it offers a starter plan at $18 per month, the creator plan at $64 per month, and the enterprise at custom pricing. You can unlock additional useful by upgrading the given plans. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.